Inside Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney. A few days ago, we took a tour with you looking from a senior's perspective at the outside of the latest addition to Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, the Island Tower. If you missed that tour, we will post a link for you at the end of this video. Today, we move inside to see the two entrances, the beautiful lobby, and portions of the upper level. Remember, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not done so already, to subscribe to our Disney-related travel YouTube channel for older adults and seniors. Now, during the outside tour video, we showed you the 3 to 4 minute walk outside from the Great Ceremonial House at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort using the exit next to Trader Sam's Grotto Lounge, to the new Island Tower entrance, which faces the Seven Seas Lagoon. This is the other entrance, the one which faces the Disney monorail. Remember that the monorail stop at Poly remains at the Great Ceremonial House. This is the entrance which you would use if you are driving or using a rideshare service like Uber or Lyft or the minivans. Do remember that this tower is part of the Disney Vacation Club, yet when there is availability, you can stay here without being part of the Disney Vacation Club. Now, switching back to the entrance that is across from the Seven Seas Lagoon, you can see in the windows its reflection. The lobby has the 2-story high ceiling with the design of waves on the pillars as we see here, and wonderful art pieces hanging down from the ceiling. More on those in just a minute. From the lobby, you have an indoor entrance to the Wailelu Bar and Grill, which we saw in detail on the outside tour video, again, which will be linked for you at the end of this inside tour video. The lobby is full of different types of art, which all older adults and seniors will really appreciate. It is a very nice way to welcome you back from a day at the parks or just a day out when you return to your accommodations in the tower. Here is the main seating area in the lobby. You have a wonderful view of the Seven Seas Lagoon with Disney's Contemporary Resort and Bay Lake Tower buildings off in the distance across the lagoon. That large table is itself a wonderful piece of art. I mentioned a minute ago that we would return to the art on the ceiling. Here is a video clip for you now focusing on this. The only disappointment with this is that much of the time you will not see this art because guests have to literally stretch their necks to look up, which can be challenging to do when standing for some. At least it was for me. At the one end of the lobby, near the elevators, is this beautiful painting hanging from the wall depicting, as you can see, some of the South Pacific islands, including the Hawaiian Islands, French Polynesia, including Tahiti. As an aside, members of the Disney for Seniors Facebook group, listen up. Your magic number for this video is the number 10. Again, Disney for Seniors, your magic number for this video is the number 10. At the bank of the elevators is also another tall piece of art on the wall. Back to the main area of the lobby now, we see the 2-story high art piece depicting several familiar Disney and non-Disney Pacific Ocean characters such as Temoto, the giant magical hermit crab obsessed with shiny things in the 2016 Disney animated film Moana, and a stingray. Up now on the second floor of the lobby, we see more of the 2-story high art piece, including Moana's boat. Now remember, the first entrance we showed you is directly across from Disney's monorail? While still up on the second floor, I found something very interesting. While they are not noisy, the constant monorail traffic would upset the theming of the Island Tower's lobby, at least from a visual perspective. To prevent this, the Disney Imagineers used a couple of different techniques. First, as you see here on the left, they used these see-through wooden slats. Yet these slats covered up the main way that the constant monorail traffic has been hidden from the lobby. It is the use of these opaque windows which let light in yet prevent the monorail traffic from being seen. This was pretty ingenious. When you are back down on the first floor of the lobby, this is what you see over on the left. We hope you have enjoyed this brief tour inside the lobby of the Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. Please do take a second to click on that thumbs up icon to like this video, as it helps small YouTube channels like ours a lot. Thank you for that. As promised, here is the link of our tour for seniors of the outside area of the Island Tower, as well as another video from our Disney travel related channel for older adults and seniors. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.